CA glue or superglue is one of the most useful adhesives available for precision work. It bonds quickly, it penetrates small gaps, and it creates strong joints across a wide range of materials. That speed and strength are exactly why builders, hobbyists, and technicians rely on it for detailed work. But that same speed also introduces a challenge. Because CA glue cures so quickly, small mistakes can become permanent almost instantly. A joint shifts slightly during curing, a small amount of excess glue squeezes out, or a part bonds before it's perfectly aligned. And once the adhesive fully cures, correcting those mistakes can become difficult without damaging the surrounding material. For many builders, this leads to a common assumption. Once CA glue cures, the bond is permanent. And when mistakes happen, the only option seems to be scraping, sanding, or forcing parts apart, all which risk damaging the project itself. But precision bonding isn't just about applying glue correctly. It's about maintaining control over the entire bonding process before the bond forms, during the curing process, and even after the adhesive has hardened. In this masterclass, we're going to look at one of the most overlooked tools that give builders that control back. Starbond Superglue Remover. We'll cover how it works, when to use it, and how it can turn irreversible mistakes into manageable adjustments. Once CA glue fully cures, the adhesive forms a rigid polymer bond between the two surfaces. That bond is extremely strong in thin layers, which is why CA glue works so well for precision assembly. But that same property also makes corrections difficult. When a bonded joint needs to be adjusted, most people attempt to remove the adhesive mechanically. The problem with mechanical removal is that it rarely removes only the adhesive. Instead, it removes part of the material underneath. Scraping can gouge surfaces, sanding removes finishes and the surrounding material, and forcing parts apart can weaken or fracture the components themselves. Instead of trying to remove cured adhesive mechanically, there's another approach. You can weaken the adhesive chemically. That's exactly what a CA remover is designed to do. A CA remover is formulated to break down cured cyanacrylate adhesive. Instead of attacking the surrounding material, the remover penetrates the bond line and softens the adhesive itself. This reduces the strength of the bond so that the parts can separate with minimal force. This approach changes how corrections can be made. Instead of scraping away the surface or forcing parts apart, the adhesive can be softened first. Once softened, the bond can be separated or the residue removed without damaging the surrounding material. Notice that we're not prying the parts apart. The remover weakens the adhesive so the joint releases with very little force. This is the key difference between mechanical removal and chemical removal. Let's look at a few examples. Misalignment can happen even when the bonding process is done carefully. CA remover restores the ability to reposition parts instead of forcing a full rebuild of the assembly. Excess glue squeeze out is a common issue when bonding small parts. If removed mechanically, it often damages the surrounding finish. Softening the adhesive first allows the glue to be removed without affecting the surface. Because CA glue bonds skin quickly, pulling bonded skin apart can cause injury. A CA remover dissolves the adhesive so the bond releases safely. Starbond CA remover is made of gentle non-acetone formula, which is less harsh on the skin. CA glue often flows into small gaps or seams during the application, but in tight spaces, excess glue can be difficult to remove without damaging surrounding parts. In these situations, mechanical removal tools may not even reach the adhesive. Because the remover can be applied precisely, it can clean areas that tools cannot reach. Sometimes builders reuse materials from older projects, but those materials may already have cured CA glue from previous assemblies. Removing hardened adhesive mechanically can damage reclaimed materials. This makes it possible to reuse components that might otherwise be discarded. Engravers or CNC users secure small workpieces using a tiny amount of CA glue. This holds the material steady during cutting. After machining, a CA remover allows the workpiece to be removed without prying or damaging the surface. The larger takeaway here is that precision bonding isn't just about applying adhesive correctly. It's about maintaining control throughout the entire bonding process, and it expands how CA glue can be used in workshops. That includes preparing the surfaces correctly, applying the adhesive precisely, and having the ability to adjust or correct the bond if necessary. When CA glue and a remover are used together, the bonding process becomes far more controlled. Mistakes that once required scraping or rebuilding can instead be corrected quickly and safely. Starbond Superglue Remover turns permanent mistakes into manageable adjustments, and that control is what makes precision bonding possible.